Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for the episode with this cool amazing right here in my hand, and basically what this is a solar charger power bank that you can use on the go when you guys are traveling, at home, in office, wherever you guys want to use it, that's up to you guys. But first thing first, let me actually open up the product to show you guys what is actually included in here first. Alright, so when we first open up, this is basically what it looks like right here. So it's a power your life, power your work, and we open up that part there. This is what it looks like inside there. So they do have a little thank you card right here and a little warranty card here as well. And then next right below that, they have a user manual right here to teach you guys how to use the product itself. And then right underneath all of that, you can see the actual product itself, and they have some cables here. So let's take it all out first. So they do provide you guys a small little carabiner that you can actually attach it onto the actual power bank itself. Next up right here, they do provide you guys a cable, which is USB to USB-C. And then last but not least, we have the actual product itself right here. So let's take it out. Alright, so this is basically what it looks like right here. So it has a solar charger right here, or solar panel here. If we turn it on the other side right here, you guys can see that this is the built-in flashlight that's in use. And I believe for the actual flashlight right here, they have 4 different modes. So there's like the standard mode, the strong mode, a SOS mode, and a strobe light option as well. And the way how you guys activate it is just by pressing it down right here. So that's the standard mode. If you press it one time, it goes to strong light mode. You can see it's much brighter. If I press it again, that's SOS. And this is the strobe light option right there. And that's how you guys turn it off. So those are the 4 different modes that's built into the actual product itself for the flashlight. If you guys can see right here, that is basically the light indicator to show you guys the battery life right here. So obviously when all 4 of them light up, then it's fully charged. Right now only 3 of them is light up, so it's around 75% fully charged. And then right here is the power button that I used earlier that I didn't show you guys. And we turn it on this side right here. You guys can see that this part is fully sealed up. But basically what this is right here is a charging port right here. So I pull this part open like this. That is basically what it looks like inside right there. So we have 2 USB options right here, and then we have a USB-C option here. So this is a out, and this is out as well. But this one right here for USB-C is both a in and output. So definitely really cool how they give you guys that option to use. 2 USB options and then 1 USB-C option if you guys want to. And if you guys don't want to use this option, you guys can definitely use the solar panel to recharge as well. But one thing to remember is that if you guys do use the solar panel, it definitely takes a lot longer than the actual product itself right here. So definitely if you guys want a faster charging option to recharge the power bank, you guys want to use a cable to recharge it instead of using the solar panel. That is mainly for emergency if there's anything wrong when you guys are going camping or whatever. And the cool thing about the actual product itself for the USB or USB-C is the fact that it definitely gives you guys a fast charging option. It uses a 3A charging speed, which is definitely pretty awesome. In terms of the capacity on the actual product itself, it is a 30,000 mAh, which will definitely give you guys a lot of charge. Like if I were to charge my iPhone 12, I think I can charge it around 8 to 9 times, which is definitely a lot of charge, which is also super convenient if you guys are traveling or if you guys are going outdoor doing camping or whatever. And also if you guys can see right here, this is basically where I just want to put in the carabiner right here. And then the last thing that is actually not mentioned in the actual listing itself is the fact that I believe it's actually waterproof or water resistant. So if you guys do get water onto this, it should be fine because everything is completely sealed. That way you can actually attach it onto your backpack or whatever. But that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now let's actually test out the outputs and input right here and see when it actually works first. So first thing I want to do is plug in the USB-C to charge it up. So I'm plugging in right here and plug into my power bank that we have right here. Alright, so you can see that it is charging our device right here. So I guess in order for me to actually charge this product itself, I do need to plug into a wall charger, which I'll do that in a second. So we'll just start with this one first. So next I'm gonna plug in the other 2 USB outputs here first and test those out. Alright, so I got my iPhone cable right here. I just wanna plug it in right here. Alright, so it's in. And we're gonna plug it into my iPhone right here. Alright, so it's charging my phone and it's also charging my power bank as well. Let me plug in the last USB and try that out as well. Alright, so I got my last cable right here, plug it in right here, and we're gonna use the last plug out right here to charge my Bose headphone. Alright, so it's also charging this as well, if you can see right there. So you can definitely charge all 3 devices at the same time. Obviously, if you guys want to charge like 3 iPhones at the same time, you guys definitely do that as well. So if you use something like this, you can definitely charge your iPhone at the same time with 2 other USB outputs as well. But you can see from the test itself, it does work to charge 3 of them at the same time. Now let me just try to charge the power bank while charging the other devices at the same time. Alright, so for this test, I got this wall charger right here. I'm gonna plug it in here, and I'm gonna plug in the cable. So this cable right here, plug into any one of them. And then we're gonna plug this into my power bank right here. Alright, so you can see right there, the product itself is being charged, and it's also charging my iPhone and also my Bose headphone at the same time. So you can definitely use the product itself to charge 3 devices at the same time or you can also use it to charge two devices at the same time while charging the actual power bank itself as well. So for the last and final test, let me actually show you guys a quick waterproof or water resistant test to show you guys whether or not that works as well. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so I got the product right here. Let me do a quick waterproof test to show you guys whether or not the product itself is waterproof or water resistant. So first thing I want to make sure is this part right here is completely sealed up first. Once that part is sealed up, then the product itself should be water resistant or waterproof. Let me turn on some water and make a tub of water here first. Alright, so that should be good. What I want to do is turn on the light first. Alright, so the light is on. Let's dump it in. Alright, so you can see the product itself is fully waterproof, and this part is fully covered as well because there's no bubble coming out of it. If I flip it the other way, you can see that it is completely waterproof. So that's definitely really cool if you guys do plan on using this for any kind of water sports or whatever, which is definitely super awesome. But obviously it's not recommended for you guys to dump this into the ocean or whatever, but it is water resistant or waterproof, as you can see right here. Alright, welcome back guys. So let's have a quick test of the product itself. You can see that everything works really well. The product itself definitely is waterproof or water resistant. You can see from the test itself. I don't really recommend you guys putting into a tub of water like I did or dump it into the ocean or whatever. But if you guys do use it when it's like raining or whatever, like splashes, it definitely should be fine. So pretty much long story short, to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not, yes, I would definitely have to say that these are worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially if you guys are going outdoor a lot for camping, traveling, or whatever. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.